Hi guys, in this video, me and a guest today, Nathan. Say hi to the camera, Nathan. Me and him built little air bases. They're kind of cool. That's my island, that's his island, and that's his dock, and that is my dock.
Okay.
I kind of like them. They're pretty fun. Right now we are actually streaming this video at the Bass Lake, Michigan. It's a really nice place. You should really try to check it out. It's nice. One thing that's cool about this is it's right next to Lake Michigan. And it's always warm water. It's like I've never had cold water. It's really nice. I don't know. It's just fun. So yeah, guys. Sorry for the short video. I'll try to be getting some longer videos soon. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.